Hey, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 7. What do you do after you wake up?
I make coffee and prepare breakfast. How about you?
I usually take a shower and then check my messages.
Nice. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m. And you?
I start at 8, so I leave home a bit earlier.
Do you exercise in the morning or evening?
Evening, I go to the gym after work. Do you exercise?
Sometimes I prefer walking in the evening.
That's great. What do you do before bed?
I watch a series or read a book to relax.
Same here. I try to sleep before 11.
Sounds like a good routine.
Yes, it keeps me productive. How's your day going?
Pretty good so far. Thanks. Just keeping busy.
How's the weather today?
It's warm and sunny, perfect for being outside.
What have you been up to lately?
Mostly work, nothing too exciting, but I'm doing well.
How's everything going?
Not too bad, thanks. Just taking things one day at a time.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel much better today. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, I can talk for a few minutes.
Could you repeat that, please?
Of course. What I said was, yes, I can talk for a few minutes.
Can you help me with this task?
Sure, I'll take a look.
When is the meeting starting?
In about 10 minutes. Could you update me on the report?
Sure, I'll send it to you this afternoon.
Do you have a moment to talk?
Yes, I'm free. What's up?
May I see your passport and boarding pass?
Here you go.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Has your bag been out of your sight?
No, it's been with me the whole time.
How long will you be staying?
Just 1 week.
Where will you be staying?
At the Marina Hotel. Can you describe your missing bag?
Yes, it's a black suitcase with a red tag.
Where did you last see it?
At the baggage carousel, it never came out. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I check the time and stretch a little. You?
I go straight to the kitchen to drink water.
Good habits. When do you have breakfast?
Usually around 8 a.m. What about you?
I eat earlier, around 7, before I leave for work.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus. It's quick and easy. You?
I walk. It only takes me 10 minutes.
Lucky you. Do you have lunch at home or at work?
At work, we have a small cafeteria.
Nice. I bring lunch from home most days.
What do you do after work?
I cook dinner and relax. You?
I watch YouTube and clean the house a bit.
Sounds relaxing. What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30.
I sleep later, about midnight.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Just water for now, thank you.
Do you have any food allergies?
No, I can eat everything.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, I'd love that.
How's your meal?
It's really good, thank you. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, I'll take it. Where are you heading today?
To the city center, please.
Do you have a preferred route?
No, just take the fastest way.
Would you like the aircon on?
Yes, please. It's a bit warm. What do you do for a living?
I'm an English tutor.
Where are you from?
I'm from Poland, but I live in Sweden.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Not yet. I might just relax at home.
Have you watched anything good lately?
Yes, I just finished a great series. Hey, how's your day going?
Not too bad, thanks. Just finished work. How about you?
Pretty good. Did you do anything interesting today?
Yeah, actually, I tried a new cafe near my office. Their coffee is amazing.
Oh, nice. What did you order?
Just a cappuccino, but definitely going back. Do you like coffee?
I love it, but I'm trying to drink less. How's the weather on your side?
Warm but windy. How about yours?
Same here. Feels like summer is coming. Any plans for the weekend?
Nothing big, just relaxing at home. You?
I might go for a walk or catch up on a show. We'll see.
Sounds nice. Well, it was great chatting with you.
You too. Have a good one.
You too.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, loud and clear.
Could I call you back later?
Yes, please. I'm a bit busy right now. What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm here for vacation.
Did you pack your own bags?
Yes, I did. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have some juice, please.
Do you need a blanket?
Yes, that would be nice. What brings you here today?
I'm here for an appointment.
Is this your first time visiting?
Yes, it is. Do you need help finding anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a white t-shirt.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I'll try a medium size. Are you sending this locally or internationally?
Internationally, please.
Do you need tracking?
Yes, definitely. How can I assist you today?
I would like to check the status of my order.
Could you provide your reference number?
Yes, it's 2486.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. Could you explain that again, please?
Are you ready to start?
Yes, let's begin.
What time do you start school?
At 8 a.m. I usually arrive a bit earlier. You?
I start at 8:30. Do you walk or take the bus?
I take the bus every day. What about you?
I walk. It's close to my house.
Lucky. What's your first class?
English. What's yours?
Math, not my favorite.
What do you do during break?
I chat with friends and eat a snack.
Same here. What time do you finish school?
Around 2 p.m. What do you usually do on the weekends?
I like to sleep in and make a big breakfast. You?
I go for a walk at the beach.
Nice. Do you meet friends?
Sometimes. What about you?
I visit family or do chores at home.
Do you go out at night?
Not always. Sometimes I watch a movie. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I check my phone and drink water. You?
I open the windows for fresh air.
Nice. When do you have breakfast?
Around 7:30.
I eat later, around 9.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, 15 minutes of stretching.
I should start doing that.
It helps a lot.
What do you usually do before bed?
I take a shower and read a little. You?
I clean up the kitchen and prepare for the next day.
That's productive.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Same. What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.